What if a sensor could detect your finger without any pressure, without any click, and without a physical button? Let's find out. Today in day 17 of our 37 Sensors Challenge, we're using the MPSA13J08 Touch Sensor Module with Arduino UNO to detect touch instantly. For this project,
Arduino UNO board, a touch sensor MPSA13J08, a buzzer for testing, a breadboard, some jumper wires, and an Arduino USB cable. Let's move to the wiring connections. Now let's connect the touch sensor with the Arduino UNO. Connect the VCC pin of the touch sensor to the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the ground pin of Arduino. The signal pin of the touch sensor is connected to digital pin 2 of Arduino. After completing all the wiring, check the connections properly. Now let's upload the code. Now let's understand the program. First, the touch sensor is connected to digital pin 2, and the buzzer is connected to pin 8. Inside the setup function, the touch pin is configured as an input, and the buzzer pin is set as an output. Now upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Serial communication is also started at 9600 baud rate. Now let's test the project. Touch the sensor surface with your finger. As soon as the sensor detects touch, the buzzer starts producing sound. When you remove your finger, the buzzer stops. Arduino UNO.